Hi! Welcome to our Wiggle and Stretch channel. Let's move, play, and learn together. Time for alphabet yoga. Can you follow me and hold the pose while we learn letters from A to Z? Let's go!
Hi everyone! Welcome to Wiggle and Stretch. I'm Dr. Lu, and I am so glad you are here today. Get ready to use your bodies and your imaginations because today we are going on a magic yoga journey with the letter B. If you're ready to move, show me a big thumbs up. Before we start, ask your grown-up to click the like button and subscribe so you never miss an alphabet adventure. Okay, yogis, let's go! First, let's use our bodies to make a giant capital letter B. Stand up super tall, like a straight line. Now reach your arms high up to the sky, take a deep breath in, and lean your top half over to one side, just a little bit. Great! Now bring your arms down, put your hands on your hips, and stick your belly out to make the bottom bump. Look at that! Hold your letter B shape. Don't let the B fall over. You are doing a wonderful job stretching. We are almost there. Keep breathing. Steady now. Don't let your bumps wiggle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, shake it out. Our next word is balance. Let's do the mountain pose. Stand with your feet glued flat to the floor and imagine big, strong roots growing from your toes deep into the ground. Stand tall, roll your shoulders back, and pull your tummy in. Pretend you are a giant, unshakable mountain that can balance forever. Hold your balance strong, mountains. You look so powerful. We are almost there. If the wind blows and you wobble, that's okay. Just wiggle right back into place. Holding strong, keeping those roots deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, great balancing. Our next word is bunny. Let's sit on our knees and get low to the ground. Curl your body up and bring your forehead all the way down to your mat. Pretend you are a sleepy little bunny resting in its soft, warm burrow. Bring your hands back by your feet so they look just like floppy bunny ears. Stay very still and quiet, little bunnies. Take a slow breath in and a slow breath out. We are almost there. Keep resting your ears. Feel your back getting nice and soft in your cozy home. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow! Okay, bunnies, hop back up to sit. Now, let's make a word that floats on the water. Boat. Sit on your bottom with your knees bent and lean back just a little bit. Now, see if you can lift your feet up high into the air. Reach your arms straight forward like you are holding on to the oars. Hold your boat. Pull your tummy muscles in tight so your boat doesn't tip over in the big waves. Oh, here comes a splash. Stay steady. You are doing it. We are almost there. Keep those boats floating high. Don't drop your oars. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, safe in the harbor. Let's keep sitting down for a beautiful word. Butterfly. Bring the bottoms of your feet together so they touch and let your knees fall open like colorful wings. Hold onto your feet with your hands and wiggle your knees up and down like a butterfly flapping its wings in the sunshine. Okay, now freeze your wings. Sitting up tall, open your body gently like a beautiful flower opening up to the sun. You look so lovely. Hold your position. We are almost there, fluttering hearts. Keep smiling and holding those wings still. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow! Fly away, butterflies. B is for bridge. Let's lie down flat on our backs on the floor. Bend your knees and put your feet flat, right close to your bottom. Now, imagine your hips are a giant drawbridge on a royal castle. Ready? Push your tummy up, up, up into the air and make a bridge. Keep your drawbridges up high. Squeeze your bottom muscles tight. Make your bridge super strong, enough for big cars and trucks to drive right over it. Hold your position. We are almost there. Look how high your bridge can go. Keep pushing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow! Lower your drawbridge slowly back down. Good job. Next up is B for bird. Come up to your hands and knees. Look at the screen for our new slow motion demo. See how smooth I move? Now you try. Reach one hand forward and your opposite leg backward. Nice and slow. Imagining you are a big bird gliding slowly through the sky. Hold that pose and glide. Keep your back super flat like a tabletop. You look so graceful up in the air. Stay steady. We are almost there. Don't let the bird fall out of the sky. Keep holding your wings and tail straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow! Bring it down and switch sides. Smooth and slow. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow! Everybody stand up and get ready to be a big bear. Plant your hands on the ground far away from your feet and lift your bottom way up to the sky until you look like a sharp mountain peak. Keep your legs and arms straight. Imagine you are a giant bear looking for berries in the woods. Give me a big, brave bear roar. Roar! Hold that strong bear shape. Push hard into your hands. Feel how tough your bear paws are. Hold your position. We are almost there. Keep breathing deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow! Drop your knees down to the ground. Time to relax. B is for baby. Roll over onto your back. Lift your legs up and grab the outside edges of your feet with your hands. Now, pull your knees down toward the floor and rock side to side, just like a happy baby playing in its crib. Hold onto those feet and keep smiling. This pose makes our bodies feel so relaxed and happy. Give me a funny baby sound. Goo goo gaga. We are almost there. Keep rocking and holding onto those toes. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Let your legs go long and straight on the floor. Let's stand all the way up for our next B word. Big. Let's make our bodies big, like a giant. Put your feet together. Bend your knees like you are about to sit down in a tiny chair, but don't sit all the way down. Keep your chest up high and reach your arms up as big and tall as you can. Hold your big pose. Your legs might start to feel tired, but you are a strong giant. Stay seated in that imaginary chair. We're almost there. Reach even higher to the sky. So big. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow! Stand up and wiggle it out. Yogis, B is for back bend. Stand up straight and tall. Put your hands on the lower part of your back, right above your bottom, to keep you safe. Now look up at the sky and slowly lean your head and shoulders back. Imagine your body is a giant, colorful rainbow arching over the park. Hold that beautiful rainbow shape. Keep supporting your back with your hands. Look at the clouds. We are almost there. Keep opening up your heart like a flower in the sun. Hold it steady. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow! Slowly stand up straight again. Our bee adventure ends with the best word, bedtime. You worked so hard today. Slowly lower your body all the way down to the floor and lie flat on your back. Lay your arms by your sides with your palms facing up. Close your eyes and pretend your body is a cozy blanket, soft and still. Don't move a single muscle, just rest. Feel your breath going in and out like a slow wave on the beach. Shh, keep holding your body still. We're almost there. Just relax and melt into the floor. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Gently wiggle your little fingers and wiggle your toes. Take a big, deep breath. Stretch your arms over your head and slowly sit up to cross your legs. Let's finish with our special calming breath. Put your hands together at your heart. Thank you so much for exploring the letter B with me today on Wiggle and Stretch. I hope you feel wonderfully grounded, centered, and happy. You did an amazing job. We will see you next time for the letter C. Namaste. Bye-bye.
From A to Z, we stretched and we played, learned every letter, a yoga parade. We balanced and bent, we twisted and flew. Alphabet yoga, we love you. Stretch and learn, breathe and grow. Seeds of knowledge, watch them sow. With every pose, a letter we knew. Alphabet yoga, it's true.